This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can change the photo mode aspect ratio on this drone. So while in the automatic camera mode, just look at the available preferences. You can toggle, look for the resolution specifically, tap on it, and here you can switch the aspect ratio between 4:3 or 16:9. While in the Pro mode or in the Pro camera mode, you'll need to tap anywhere basically and then go for those three dots or three lines to open preferences. And here, as you can see, you can also switch between those two available aspect ratios. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.